What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and today we are playing a little game. We are doing a burger taste test challenge. We've got some exotic meat snuck in here. Todd and Brandon hit record and left the room. You, the viewer, get to be let in on a little secret. You get to know which is which. So I've got turkey, ground beef, kangaroo, and ground bison. I want the meat to shine, so I'm seasoning them all simply with my beef rub, cooking them all over charcoal. Now the beef, the kangaroo, and the bison can all be served medium rare, so I'm gonna take those off about 135. The turkey, unfortunately, has to be taken to a higher temperature. That might be a giveaway for which meat is which. I guess we'll have to wait and find out. I've got all of the burgers assembled to the best of my abilities. I think they look identical. We got shorted one bun in the bag, and I still don't know if it was missing from the package or if my grocery delivery guy ate it or if one of my children ate it out of the bag. But all I know is we have 7. So one of them's one short. They're gonna have to cut it in half. Burgers are built. I scrambled them. You guys know what they're gonna be eating, but they do not. First up, I'm sending them straight in with the kangaroo. Then we're going in with the turkey. Then we're gonna go beef, then we're gonna go bison. I wanna do kangaroo first because I don't want them to have anything to compare it to. I just want them to taste it straight, say what they think it is, and then move on. I'm so excited. Okay, I gotta go get behind the cameras.
Hibachi.
All right, let's taste these burgers, Todd. You wanna start over there on the left? Let's go.
I'm scared. I'm so scared.
Oh, geez.
Let's fall apart. You got something in your beard there. Not beef.
No, it's a little bit dry. Good flavor though.
Tastes a little gamey, maybe. There's a funk to it, right?
A little bit. I'm thinking burger number 1 might either be the bison or the kangaroo. It's a little gamey.
And lean.
Lean, really lean.
Burger number 2. Pretty obvious.
Yeah, this one looks like turkey.
That's a turkey burger, if I've ever seen one, but we're gonna go in. Ground turkey.
That's a turkey burger if I've ever had one.
I can taste the poultry in it. Burger number 2, poultry, turkey.
For sure. Time for burger number 3.
Oh, bro, that's beef all day. I know beef way too well.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to concur.
This is a real tough job, Brandon.
Mm-hmm. Super hard.
I was a little scared of the kangaroo, but if that was actually kangaroo, it wasn't that bad. Okay, we're not cutting this one. Burger number
4. This one's bison.
How can you tell?
I've eaten quite a bit of bison before. It's kind of like the beef. I don't eat as much bison as I eat beef, but this one's bison. That means number 1's got to be kangaroo.
Yeah. There's no gaminess to that. Right? I'm not a big gamey fan. And then since that one's so different, I'm leaning. Yeah. I think we got it because beef was obvious. I think we've settled on that one. Burger 1, kangaroo. Burger 3, beef. Burger 2, obviously turkey. So that one's got to be bison. Burger 4. Final answer. Final answer?
Agreed.
Can we do it?
4 for 4.
Dude.
Yeah.
Good job. Did you guys guess right? Well, I mean, you guys were in on secret, so you couldn't have guessed. But I want to know, after hearing these guys try them, what exotic meats have you tried at home? What's something you'd be interested to try? Would you try kangaroo? I'm going in for just a bite of, it's so crumbly. I can't even pick it up. But I gotta try the kangaroo. All right, I think we got a few more burgers to polish off.
You
I actually like that.
overdressed then.
I'm not sorry.
Which one did you like the best, Todd?
Beef.
Beef.
Listen.
I like the kangaroo.
Yeah,
it has good flavor.
I didn't hate the kangaroo either. I think the kangaroo might be the one of the day.
Cool. All right. Well, thanks for hanging out with us on our little burger experiment. We'll see you guys next time.